How to update Roblox on PC. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to open our desktop right here. And then once you're here, what we are going to do next is to go on the search bar and then search for Roblox. Once you search for Roblox right here, as you can see, if you see the Roblox player, which is right there, and then it came from the browser version of the Roblox player, and then if you only see this app right here, which says Roblox, then this one came from the Microsoft Store. Now to update the app from the Microsoft Store, what we're going to do is to search for Microsoft Store right here, of course, and then open it. Once you are now on this part, what we're going to do is to go here on the library, which is on the bottom left corner of the screen, and then click on the games, which is right here. And then in this part, you should be able to see an update button right here if there are any updates. But currently, as you can see, there aren't any updates available, so it only says open. Now, once you update that, that should fix your problem. However, if you are using the browser version of the Roblox, what we're going to do next is to search for settings. So open your settings right there. And then in this part, just go here on the apps and then installed apps and then search for Roblox. Make sure that you choose the Roblox player. So go here and click the three dots and then click uninstall. Click uninstall once again. Then once it is done, what we are going to do is to open our browser. And then on this part, just open one of the games that you would like to play. So what we're going to do is to go here and then click the play button. After that, I just download the Roblox player once again by clicking download Roblox. And then after that, I just wait for this to finish and then click open file. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to update Roblox on PC.